What up, YouTubers? This is Sadistically Sharp coming at you, and I am chopping a tree down right now. Let's take a look to see what I'm working with there. This is a tree I'm chopping down. It was probably about 30 feet. And this is what I used right here. This is the Aranyik e-nep. This thing is awesome. It didn't even roll. Look at that nice shiny edge. Very good quality knife. Or machete, I should say. Really blew me away for the price. And I also have a Fiskars axe. This is the, I think, X11 right here. This is my son, and he's giving me a hand. This is the wood that we had already processed over here. Like I said, it was about 30 feet. This is the progress we've made so far. This is the problem that we're running into. We got a little fence right here. We're trying to fell it right where I'm standing right here. I'm trying to make it come this way. Now the tree's probably maybe about 12, 13 feet, somewhere around there. And this is the progress we've made so far. Not very much with the little axe. We're just out here having some fun. Fiskars X11. It's pretty good steel. It's a little bit on the softer side for an axe, I believe. But let's get into it. That's about halfway through. I think I'm ready to start chopping the other side. And hopefully it falls where I want it to fall. Let's see how this works out. Phone's about to die, so hopefully you guys get to see it.
Hopefully this tree falls the way that we want it to fall.
Almost there.
Yep. You hear that? I think it's about to break, actually. Right here. Here it goes. Oh.
Yeah.